This model kit review is of the F-7U Cutlass, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Lindberg. And it says here, authentic decals, highly detailed plastic parts, accurate weapon systems. We'll have to have a look and see. Traditionally, the Lindberg models are not very good quality. Some details about the plane. And here's some additional pictures of the finished model. It really is very basic looking. There's the exhausts. I mean, it's looking like a really basic model. This one consists of the fuselage. This one's already been started. These are all raised panel lines. The rivet lines are all raised. Looks like there's not very good alignment here on the top. Some reasonable on the bottom. Guns here. Very poor details on the cockpit. There's almost really nothing. And here are the exhausts, which we put together and they don't line up very well at all. Looks like we have several of these. You can see they're really bad molding. These things do not line up well at all. This is supposed to line up at the bottom here, which means you have a decent sized gap there and there. So that's kind of dismal. Here are the wings, and these flaps have actually been cut out. These ailerons have been cut out, so they should hopefully be inside here, but we have terrible mold lines. It's really not a good quality model. Here's the other tail. That's reasonable. We have a few extra pieces here still on the sprue. And here are a few extra pieces as well. Here's our pilot figure. It's a very strange looking figure. And looks like we have here our landing gear, which has got lots of mold lines on it. And we have our flaps or ailerons that have been cut out. We have some wheels. Some detail there, not too bad. And we have these are our main landing gear. As you can see, lots of everything's got a mold line here. This is very poor quality molding. And our cockpit canopy, and it looks like an ejection seat. Let's have a look at our instructions. That's everything in the box. So we start off with the fuselage. It's already been done. Pilot and cockpit or seat has been put together. Ejection seat. Then canopy goes on. Wings are put together. So that's been done. They then put on the fuselage. The tails are then put on. And landing gear. Landing gear really is. There's no wheel well, there's no wheel door. I mean, it's really not very good quality at all. Not much detail. Same with the nose wheel. Here's the nose wheel. Dismal. And shows you the decals going on. So we'll have a look at those decals. here they are. The decals are actually reasonable quality print. There just aren't very many of them. All in all, this is a very simple model. The quality is poor. The detail level is poor and requires a significant amount of work to be able to make it work. It should be seen more as a canvas to do other things on.